Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make acorn squash soup. We will cover selecting the best squash, roasting it to perfection, and then combining ingredients for a rich, flavorful dish. Finally, I will share tips for blending and serving your homemade soup, ensuring a delightful meal for everyone. Let's get started on this delicious journey. First, select a good acorn squash. It should feel heavy and firm. Carefully cut it in half lengthwise, then use a spoon to scoop out all the seeds and stringy pulp. Place the halves cut side down on a baking sheet. Roast them in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit until tender, which usually takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour. While your squash roasts, sauté some chopped onion and garlic in a pot until softened. Once the squash is tender, scoop out the flesh and add it to the pot with vegetable or chicken broth and your favorite spices, like nutmeg or sage. Simmer for about 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Then, carefully blend the soup until it's perfectly smooth. After blending, taste your soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. For extra richness, you can stir in a touch of heavy cream or coconut milk. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with fresh herbs, such as parsley or chives, or some toasted pumpkin seeds. Serve your homemade acorn squash soup immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.